Okay, hello everyone. Today we are here to show you how to use Resolume to video map videos onto surfaces such as cubes or walls or anything that you want to project a video through. So we're going to go ahead and open up Resolume 4.1.11. It may take a while to load up because the program is really, I don't know, how do you say this, deep, and it's a really good program to use for video mapping. Okay, so when Resolume opens up, you're gonna be a little intimidated. Here is where your previews will be, and these are your layers where your videos will be, and you're gonna be placing your videos in each of these columns so that you can overlap the videos, transition them, and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in motion loops on Google and see there's a bunch of sites. Motion Loops is a good site. You do have to sign up, but it's free to sign up, and they do have a selection for free loops. And so in their free loops, they have a couple of selections that you can pick from, and you can download whatever ones that look appealing to you. So you can drag your mouse over top of the loops to get a preview of what they'll look like. So yeah, they do have a big selection of free stuff, which I'm actually pretty surprised at, because considering a lot of sites only give you a couple of loops to pick from. So you're going to go ahead and just want to sign up for the website and grab some loops. So you're going to want to download the 1080p versions just because they are a lot better of a video quality than the other versions. So we've already went ahead and downloaded a bunch of video loops from a bunch of different websites. Here's one from Motion Loops. This green circle-y kind of thing. And so in Resolume, to actually put your videos in, you're going to want to just open up your file where you put your videos, and you're just going to actually want to just drag and drop them directly right into your layers. So you can drop them just like that. So when you click on the video, you can preview it down in the bottom left corner. On the right hand side, you'll see the video speeds and a bunch of other settings that you can use to play around with the video. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm not actually going to click it, but you're going to want to connect to a projector, and you're going to want to click extend so that when you actually map the videos, they're going to actually show up through the projector. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and input two more loops, I should say, into Resolume. Okay, so now that we have three videos going, you can see in the bottom left corner here that all three of them have overlapped. This shows you what they look like over top, but if we only have one video selected, it's going to show you only what that one video looks like. So you're going to want to go ahead and deselect everything in your column 1 and all your layers 1 through 3, and you're going to want to go to Output, Advanced. So in Output Advanced, you're going to want to make a new slice, and you're going to want to click your input source to be layer 1, 2, or 3. Now layers 1, 2, and 3 being layer 1 here, layer 2 here, and layer 3 here, showing you what videos are in your layers, and that's where you're going to be clicking the videos that you want to project. So I'm going to go ahead and click this video now, And now that you can see it, it appears here in our composition. Now you're going to want to change that to layer 1, not composition. Composition will blend all the videos together. It will take not just the single videos clicked in your layers, it will take the total videos that you have selected. So if I had all 3 clicked, you can see that the video is just a hodgepodge of what I have selected. So you're gonna want to go ahead and click layer 1, so that for this part you're just gonna be projecting layer 1's video loops. So now you can go to output transformation, and this is where you can actually move the video to see and fit what you're going to be projecting onto. You're going to probably want to increase your brightness and contrast just so that your video looks a little better. And so you can transform your video, or you can edit the points. Transforming allows you to do your basic resizing, moving your whole video, and editing your points actually allows you to bend your motion loop. So I'm going to go ahead and make what appears to look like a box, or the side of a cube, I should say. So there. You're going to want to go ahead and make 2 more slices. Now, your first slice is the one that we just created. Your next 2 slices, you're going to want to go back to input selection and make the input sources layers 2 and layers 3. Now you're going to want to click those 2 videos we have in layers 2 and 3. So for layer 2, we're going to increase the brightness and the contrast, and we're going to edit the points and make it a little smaller. And you're going to want to do the same with layer 3 video. Now you will see that it is fairly laggy, just because the way that you see is because there's 3 videos on the screen right now, and you're moving them and transitioning them, and that's just why it's laggy. When you actually save and close the advanced setup screen, your videos will project at a normal speed and they won't be nearly as laggy. So I'm going to go ahead and make the shape of a cube. So you can just drag your points to basically make and fit whatever kind of shape you're projecting onto. Now it might look very weird and distorted on your screen, but when you actually project it onto the surface, you're going to actually see it looking normal, as if the projector was right in front of whatever you're projecting onto, and it looks completely flat. So here we've made a cube, and if we were projecting on to an actual cube that looked like this, you would see that each face of the cube facing you would actually have these videos on it. So you're going to want to always remember to save and close. If you don't save it and close it, if you just simply exit it, you're going to lose all your progress that you've done, and you're going to resort to what it was before you opened it. So you're going to want to hit save and close. And so now when we have different videos in these layers, you can actually choose what video you want to project. So let's say I have another video in layer 1. I can choose between which video I want to project. And when projecting that, you're going to see that you can actually change the video that you want. Now you're going to see this little column, I guess I could say, on the side that says ALF and T. Now this is your video transitions. If you don't actually see this, you can just go to View and you can click Show Transition Controls. So in here, you can actually, when you click underneath the T, you can pick a wide variety of different transitions. Like, let's go with rotate Y. And when you click that, you can change this, dragging this T up and down changes the length of the actual transition. So I'm going to put it about halfway. And now when I click between these two videos, you can see that that transition actually affects the video. And you can do that with all the layers with a variety of different transitions. Black and white, cutting, a bunch of different things to play around. So you're going to want to play around with some videos and some transitions and just have some fun. Thanks for watching.